covers on this 3.0, and of course these tabs, you know, I broke the first one. They're brittle as hell. Oh yeah, press down with your thumb or a what do you call it, a flathead screwdriver. Not happening. So you know what I'm doing instead? I'll just leave. I don't care. I'll leave them in place. I'm not trying to ultimately. Look, here we go. Yeah. I got to admit, this tool is really good. You definitely need one of these with these cars. I tried using it, trust me, but it just doesn't want to come out. So I'd rather just take them out all three at a time, move them over to the side, clean them, do what I got to do, and then take it from there. Yeah, why destroy everything? Hey, lots of fun here. Yeah, got the valve cover off. You know what the hardest part is? Getting it past the oil stick. So I kind of like had to do it in some bizarre way to kind of get it out. The good thing about the valve cover, it's plastic. It doesn't weigh anything. It's not like it's heavy. Like, you know, I remember valve covers being metal and whatever. But yeah, the bottom bolt wouldn't come out, but that didn't even affect me. I was able to get it out. My issue is that this thing was leaking so terribly that, check this out. Looks good, looks good. Check it out, check it out. In that cylinder there is oil. Second one has a little one. Yeah, the third one has a little too. So how am I going to get that oil out of there, right? So what I'm going to do is, I tell you, the hardest part about this game is light. It really is. It's just so annoying trying to see. That's my hardest part about working on cars. So I'm taking this from a shampoo bottle. It's really good too, by the way. I'm going to basically suck this out and do what I got to do. It's crazy because, you know, this car is really not running bad too. But with all this oil in there, really wasn't running bad at all. Go figure. I got to get all of the rest of that oil. But my idea did work. It did get it all out. But now I need to shove something down there to kind of like sop it up somehow. Got to figure out. I guess it's going to have to be a rag because, you know, that's not a good idea. Good old paper towel. I need those blue paper towels. Those are pretty good. But yeah, yep. I got to clean all this up. I got to scrape down this. I got the FCP came in for, I didn't even look at it, for the valve cover gas. Lots of fun owning Audis. Definitely keeps you busy. Yep. So what am I doing right now? Well, I tried putting a rag in there. Doesn't really work. So what does work, believe it or not, is this flathead screwdriver. And what it's doing is it's taking out the oil little by little. Yeah, it's tedious, but you know what? Yeah, maybe somebody would comment a better idea. I tried the rag, I pushed it down there, but you know what? I get some, but not all. This is almost like, think about it, almost like you're checking oil each time. I mean, this one was almost completely full here, and that's why I sent the rag in there. But you know what it is? It's down in between those spark plugs, so it's a little, you know, it's difficult. Plus, I really don't feel like stuffing something down there, like a paper towel. And then guess what? I'm not going to be able to get it out. And then maybe when I take out the spark plugs, there'll be an issue. Lots of fun. So I'm just doing it like this. What can you do? I cannot believe how brittle this thing is. I mean, it's like plastic. This, look at that. It's just, wow. At first, when I pulled this off, I'm like, wait a minute, does this have to stay on here? Because I was thinking, it feels like a piece of like it's a piece of plastic. Like it should go back on after the fact. But no, it's a part of the gasket. I had to open up the gasket to make sure that it does feel like rubber. You know what I mean? Wow. Brittle. It's crazy. Messy. All right, so taking it out was a pain, you know, because just a lot of crap. And honestly, you can't really fit wrenches in there. Very difficult. But the good thing is that everything was so loose that it wasn't so difficult. Now I have to torque everything down. You're supposed to kind of like torque down the middle and then kind of move your way out, stuff like that. But I did have to move, you know, the beautiful coil line out of the way, made it a little easier. Put a little bungee cord here. It's just, this is the problem. The metal line over here, you know, nothing you could really do about that. But I'll put it back slowly, get it together, and finish this thing up. Finish it up, and guess what? It needed to burn off all that crud. It was so bad, I remember, even though I gunked the crap out of this thing, I remember seeing oil pouring out the back, like just, I was like, wow. I could not believe how bad it was. So yeah, it must have all burned off. It wasn't necessarily, it was a little oil smell, but I smelled a lot of gunk on there or whatever, but it's all burned off now. And now I'm ready. I put the timing belt cover back on, and I'm kind of ready to go. That's it. Party over.